Welcome to GardenBound. Today, we're diving into the fascinating and highly rewarding world of fruit tree grafting. Grafting is an essential technique for anyone looking to propagate fruit trees, improve the quality of their produce, or even cultivate multiple varieties on a single tree. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, mastering grafting can significantly enhance your gardening skills and yield impressive results. In this video, we'll explore the best grafting techniques specifically for fruit trees, providing you with detailed step-by-step instructions, valuable tips, and insights to ensure your grafting success. By the end of this video, you'll be well equipped with the knowledge and confidence to graft your own fruit trees, leading to healthier plants and a more bountiful harvest. So grab your gardening tools and let's get started on this exciting journey of fruit tree grafting. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more gardening tips, and share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Grafting is a horticultural technique that involves joining two plants so that they grow as one, combining the best qualities of both. It is especially beneficial for fruit trees as it allows gardeners to propagate new trees, improve fruit quality, and increase disease resistance. Essentially, grafting involves attaching a scion, which is a piece of a desired fruit tree, to a rootstock, the base and root system of another tree. There are several types of grafting, including a whip and tongue, cleft and bark grafting, each serving different purposes and offering various advantages. For fruit trees, the whip and tongue graft is often considered the most effective due to its strong union and high success rate. This method creates a tight and secure bond between the scion and rootstock, ensuring efficient nutrient transfer and robust growth. Choosing the right rootstock and scion is crucial for successful grafting and the overall health and productivity of the fruit tree. The rootstock, which forms the root system and lower part of the grafted tree, should be selected for its disease resistance, vigor, and adaptability to local soil and climate conditions. Essentially, the rootstock is the base part of the tree that provides the root system and influences the tree's size, hardiness, and resistance to certain soil-borne diseases. For example, in grafting apple trees, rootstocks like M9 or M26 are popular choices due to their ability to control tree size and resist diseases. The scion, on the other hand, is a piece of a desired fruit tree that is grafted onto the rootstock. It determines the type of fruit the tree will produce. The scion must be healthy and free of diseases, ideally collected from a mature, productive tree during its dormant season. The scion wood should be about the thickness of a pencil and have several buds, as these buds will develop into the branches and fruit-bearing parts of the tree. Compatibility between the rootstock and scion is essential. They should belong to the same species or be closely related to ensure a successful graft union. By carefully selecting a compatible and healthy rootstock and scion, you set a strong foundation for a grafted tree that will not only survive but thrive, producing abundant and high-quality fruit. This selection step is fundamental as it influences the long-term success and productivity of your grafted fruit trees. The whip and tongue grafting technique is often considered the best method for grafting fruit trees due to its strong union and high success rate. This technique involves making precise cuts on both the rootstock and the scion to create matching tongues that interlock, ensuring a tight and secure fit. The process begins with selecting healthy, compatible rootstock and scion. The rootstock is cut diagonally, and a matching diagonal cut is made on the scion. Next, a vertical slit, or tongue, is made on each cut surface to increase the contact area and improve the stability of the graft. The tongues of the rootstock and scion are then carefully interlocked, aligning the cambium layers, the thin layer of tissue just under the bark responsible for transporting nutrients, of both pieces. This alignment is crucial for the graft to take, as the cambium layers must be in direct contact for the exchange of nutrients and growth to occur. Once the rootstock and scion are joined, the graft is tightly secured using grafting tape or rubber bands, ensuring that the pieces stay in place as they heal and grow together. To prevent moisture loss and protect the graft from pests and diseases, grafting wax is applied to seal the union. After grafting, it's essential to place the grafted tree in a protected environment, such as a greenhouse, and maintain consistent moisture in the soil to support the healing process. Regular monitoring and care, including protecting the graft from extreme weather and ensuring it receives adequate light and water, are vital for the success of the graft. The whip and tongue grafting technique not only provides a strong and durable graft union, but also promotes vigorous growth and enhances the overall health and productivity of the fruit tree. Successfully grafting fruit trees using the whip and tongue technique involves several detailed steps to ensure the best results. First, preparing the rootstock involves selecting a healthy rootstock and making a clean, diagonal cut. This cut should be smooth to facilitate a good connection with the Scion. Next, a vertical slit, or tongue, is created on the cut surface of the rootstock to enhance the contact area and improve stability. For preparing the Scion, choose a healthy Scion with several buds, and make a matching diagonal cut, followed by a vertical slit to create a tongue that aligns with the rootstock's cut. The third step is joining the rootstock and Scion. Carefully interlock the tongues of both pieces, ensuring the cambium layers align perfectly. This alignment is crucial as the cambium layers must touch for the graft to succeed. Once aligned, move to securing the graft. Use grafting tape or rubber bands to tightly secure the union, preventing movement that could disrupt the healing process. Additionally, apply grafting wax to seal the graft, which helps retain moisture and protect against pests and diseases. The final step involves aftercare. Place the grafted tree in a protected environment, such as a greenhouse, to shield it from harsh weather conditions. Water the tree regularly, keeping the soil moist but not waterlogged, to support the graft as it heals and grows. Consistent monitoring is essential to ensure the graft remains secure and the plant is healthy. Proper aftercare significantly increases the likelihood of a successful graft, leading to a robust and productive fruit tree. Following these detailed steps ensures that your grafting efforts result in a strong, healthy tree capable of producing high-quality fruit. Successfully grafting fruit trees requires attention to several critical factors to ensure the best outcomes. First and foremost, understanding the best time to graft is crucial. Late winter to early spring is typically the optimal period for grafting, as this is when the trees are still dormant but the sap is beginning to rise, promoting healing and growth. Using clean, sharp tools is essential for making precise cuts that minimize damage to the plant tissues and enhance the chances of a successful graft. It's also important to handle the grafting materials with care. For instance, storing Scion wood properly in a cool, moist environment until use ensures that it remains healthy and viable. When it comes to grafting itself, aligning the cambium layers of the rootstock and Scion is perhaps the most critical step. The cambium is the layer of tissue just under the bark responsible for nutrient transport, and its alignment is necessary for the graft to take. After securing the graft with tape or rubber bands, protecting the graft site from moisture loss and pests with grafting wax is another important step. Post-grafting care involves placing the grafted tree in a protected environment like a greenhouse, ensuring it receives adequate light and consistent watering to keep the soil evenly moist but not waterlogged. Patience and observation are key. Regularly, monitoring the graft site for signs of successful union and healthy growth is vital. Additionally, being aware of common issues like graft failure due to misalignment or poor aftercare can help gardeners take preventative measures. While grafting fruit trees can yield remarkable results, it's essential to be aware of and avoid common mistakes to ensure success. One of the most frequent errors is misalignment of the cambium layers between the rootstock and Scion. The cambium is the crucial layer of tissue responsible for nutrient transport, and its alignment is essential for the graft to take. If the cambium layers do not touch, the graft will fail. Inadequate securing of the graft is another common mistake. Using grafting tape or rubber bands, the graft must be tightly secured to prevent movement that could disrupt the healing process. Another frequent issue is neglecting aftercare. After grafting, the tree should be placed in a protected environment with consistent moisture and proper light. Regular monitoring is essential to ensure the graft site remains secure and the plant is healthy. Overwatering or underwatering the grafted tree can also lead to problems. While the soil should be kept moist to support the graft, it should not be waterlogged, as this can lead to root rot. Conversely, allowing the soil to dry out can stress the graft and impede its healing. Additionally, ignoring environmental conditions can jeopardize the graft's success. Extreme temperatures, high winds, or exposure to pests can damage the graft site, so protecting the tree in a greenhouse or sheltered area is beneficial. Lastly, failing to use clean, sharp tools can introduce diseases and create rough cuts that hinder the grafting process. Tools should be sterilized and sharp to make precise, clean cuts that promote rapid healing. By being aware of these common mistakes and taking steps to avoid them, gardeners can significantly increase the likelihood of successful grafting, leading to healthy, productive fruit trees. Grafting fruit trees offers numerous benefits that can enhance the productivity and health of your garden. One of the primary advantages is enhanced fruit production and quality. Grafting allows you to combine the desirable traits of different fruit varieties, such as improved flavor, size, and yield, by using a superior Scion and a robust rootstock. This technique also enables the cultivation of multiple fruit varieties on a single tree, providing a diverse harvest from a single plant. Additionally, grafting increases the resistance to diseases and pests. By selecting rootstocks that are resistant to local soil-borne diseases and pests, you can significantly improve the overall health and longevity of the grafted tree. This is particularly beneficial in regions prone to specific agricultural challenges. Grafting is also a cost-effective way to propagate desired fruit varieties. Instead of purchasing new trees, gardeners can use grafting to replicate their favorite fruit trees, ensuring consistent quality and performance. This method is also environmentally friendly, as it reduces the need for chemical treatments by naturally enhancing the tree's resistance to diseases and pests. Furthermore, grafting can accelerate the fruiting process. While trees grown from seeds may take several years to bear fruit, grafted trees often produce fruit much sooner, as the Scion is taken from a mature, fruit-bearing tree. Another benefit of grafting is the ability to adapt trees to different growing conditions. By using rootstocks that are well suited to the local climate and soil conditions, gardeners can cultivate fruit trees in areas where they might not typically thrive. This adaptability is especially useful for growing fruit trees in challenging environments, such as regions with poor soil or extreme temperatures. Grafting fruit trees is a powerful horticultural technique that enhances fruit production, improves disease resistance, and allows for greater adaptability and variety in your garden. By understanding and applying the best grafting techniques, you can enjoy a more productive and diverse fruit harvest while promoting the health and sustainability of your garden. Let us know in the comments which techniques you've had the most success with, and share your own wisdom on fruit tree grafting. Until next time, happy gardening!